Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study from ChatGPT. To begin, always craft precise prompts. Think of ChatGPT as a knowledgeable tutor. The clearer your question, the more helpful its answer will be. For instance, instead of asking, "Tell me about history," try "Explain the causes of World War I in 5 bullet points." This specificity ensures you receive targeted, useful information for your study sessions. Moving on to advanced techniques, you can ask ChatGPT to summarize long articles or chapters, saving you valuable time. For instance, provide a text and request a summary of its main arguments in about 100 words. You can also ask it to explain complex ideas, like quantum physics, using analogies or simpler language, making difficult subjects much more accessible. For interactive learning, don't just accept the first answer. Ask follow-up questions to delve deeper into topics or clarify any ambiguities. For example, if it explains a concept, ask for 3 real-world examples. You can also use it to brainstorm essay outlines, providing a structure for your thoughts before you begin writing, which can save hours of planning. Finally, it's crucial to remember that ChatGPT is a tool. Always verify the information it provides with at least 2 or 3 other credible sources, such as textbooks or academic journals. While it's incredibly helpful for generating ideas and explanations, your own critical thinking and understanding remain paramount. Use it to enhance your learning, not replace it, ensuring a well-rounded educational experience.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.